Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix error 0xc00007b in Windows, a common issue that usually appears when trying to open apps or games. First, restart your computer. It sounds simple, but it can fix temporary system glitches causing the error. If the problem continues, try running the application as administrator by right-clicking it and selecting that option. Next, reinstall the program that's showing the error. Sometimes files get corrupted, and a fresh installation can solve the issue. Also, make sure you install both 32-bit and 64-bit versions if required. Another important step is to update or reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. These are essential for many applications to run properly. Download the latest versions from the official Microsoft website and install them. You should also install or update DirectX and the .NET framework, as missing or outdated versions can trigger this error. Finally, run the System File Scanner by opening Command Prompt as administrator and typing sfc/scan now to repair corrupted system files automatically. Subscribe the channel for more videos.